Welcome to the Leader Fabrics IBC 2023 Bitesize Series, where we're taking a look at the Sx Series. The Fabrics Sx Series of handheld test and measurement tools have become the de facto tool used by engineers globally. At this year's IBC show, we were showcasing the Sx tag that provides hybrid IP and SDI handheld analysis tools, along with the SXE that provides 3G, HD and SD generation, analysis and monitoring of advanced physical layer measurement tools, along with the SXA, which offers support for SIBD compliant testing of over 350 different formats. If you'd like to learn more about the Sx series of handheld test and measurement products from Fabrics, then visit our website at www.fabrics.com/products/handheld instruments, where you can also schedule a demonstration.